sir. Good afternoon. Good, yourself? Very well, thank you. Devlin, thank you, ma'am. On your left-hand side. Over here on your right, thank you. See you, ma'am? Okay. What's your love word?
Road today, rows 13 and 14. All cabin baggage must be placed in an overhead locker. If you are having trouble finding space for your bag, please bring it forward so it can be checked too. Thank you.
Seated in emergency exit row today, all bags must be placed in the overhead lockers only, and if you are in a seat with an in-arm entertainment screen, please make sure the screen is stowed for takeoff. All electronic devices must now be set to flight mode, and smaller handheld devices may be used for takeoff, but laptop computers, iPad Pros and larger electronic devices must now be placed in the overhead lockers or underneath the seat in front of you. Radio transmitters and devices without flight mode cannot be used at any time throughout this flight. And under Australian law, smoking is not permitted on this flight. Once again, welcome on board and we do hope you enjoy your flight. And thank you, cabin crew. Would you now arm the doors and cross-check?
Almost 100 years we've been connecting Aussies with the world and the entire world with the spirit of Australia. Wherever your journey takes you today, arriving safely is our first priority. So pay attention for the next few minutes to learn the features of your Qantas Boeing 737. And we'll show you just how far and wide our spirit roams.
How'd you go?
You sit in the front seat.
Fasten your seatbelt by inserting the clasp into the buckle and tighten by pulling the strap. You can undo your seatbelt by lifting the flap. Take a moment to locate your nearest exit as the cabin crew points them out. It might be behind you. To remember your nearest exit, count the rows between you and that exit.
Bienvenue chez Qantas. Veuillez prendre note de ces importantes informations de sécurité, tout en vous laissant guider par notre esprit voyageur aux quatre coins de l'Australie. Languette rouge et d'un embout buccal pour le gonflage. Il comporte également un sifflet et une lampe. Assurez-vous de gonfler votre gilet de sauvetage uniquement une fois que vous aurez quitté l'appareil. Prenez le temps de vérifier où se trouve la sortie la plus proche. Elle est peut-être derrière vous. Pour vous souvenir de son emplacement, comptez les rangées entre votre siège et cette sortie.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Sydney, local time 3 minutes before 4 p.m. And with your safety in mind, please stay in your seat until the captain has switched off the seatbelt sign. And if your mobile phone is within reach, you may now switch flight mode off. If you are continuing on to another international flight and already holding a boarding pass, please check the screen and show the terminal for details of your next departure. If you don't have a boarding pass, please make your way to the transfer area. If you are continuing on to a domestic flight, please clear immigration, collect your baggage and clear customs. And for Qantas domestic flights, make your way to the domestic transfer facility.